Hi everyone, welcome to another DIY here in Mama's Nook. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and be sure to click the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. In this video, I'm creating a winter themed centerpiece. It's perfect for the holidays, but can be displayed throughout the entire winter season. It's quick, easy, and very cost effective. Items I'll be using in this: shredded snow from Walmart, snowflakes from Dollarama, some pine stems, trees, acrylic deer, a ring, battery lights, a rectangle charger plate, and a small piece of floral foam. Also used a touch of white acrylic paint and hot glue. The white acrylic paint, what I did was paint one side of the battery case just to help hide it a little bit more. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I need to do is space where I need to glue down the floral foam. And I want it to be in the center. So about there, and just a small dab of hot glue. It does not take much. Okay. And now we're going to take the ring and we're going to wrap it with the pine stems. So just get it started here and just wrap it around. I used 3 pine stems for this. Okay, so now take your lights and wrap them around. Bear with me because I always find wrapping lights on things awkward. Center it around. Okay, so now we're going to slide this into the piece of fluorofoam. Now I've cut a little bit of a groove here to poke it into to make sure that it stays. There's really no need to glue it because it will just sit quite snugly down in there. However, if you feel you want to glue it, please go ahead and do so. And then the battery pack's just going to go back here, and because I painted it white, it's pretty much hidden. Now let's just make sure the lights work. And they do. Okay. So now I am going to glue a tree on here. Right in the center. And we're going to place the deer just for a second. I want it to go about there. Now, these trees are battery, which have tricolor lights, and they're very pretty. I'm going to put one in each corner. And then I'm going to put 2 more trees, which I will glue down. The deer I am not going to glue. Okay, and now I'm just going to add some shredded snow in here. And lastly, I am just going to tie 2 snowflakes on. And it's all finished. So let's turn on some lights. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the support. Until next time, bye for now.